Hey everybody, Jason here. Welcome to my channel focused on learning how to tie knots. In this video, we're going to have a look at the slippery half hitch knot. Okay, so let's head on into the work table and have a look. The slippery half hitch is an easy hitch knot. This knot has the overhand knot as the foundation, and also the half hitch, of course. The slippery half hitch is not a strong knot. By its nature of being easily untied, it is unreliable and shouldn't be considered a secure knot. Still, the fact that it's so easy to untie makes it a popular hitch style knot. Begin by passing the working end around your anchor point. From there, cross your lines and then pass a bite through the loop which you formed. To finish, cinch your knot up against your anchor point to tighten it up. As mentioned earlier, the slippery half hitch is an unreliable knot which can easily slip. There are many great hitch knots that will provide a more secure knot. One easy way to provide a little more security to the slippery half hitch is to simply pass the working end through the bend after the knot has been tied. Although the knot may still slip, it shouldn't become completely untied. So now let's have another look at the slippery half hitch. The slippery half hitch is often used when there's worry that the knot may jam when under load, and it's equally valuable when a quick release hitch is needed. So there you have it, the slippery half hitch knot. If you like this video, please give it the thumbs up, leave a comment, and help me build my channel by subscribing. Okay? Thanks a lot.